Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a straight kind of pour, I guess more of a cloud pour. These are my colors. I'm using black. This is Folk Art 1 Decor black with a little bit of Deco Art Satin Enamel and black. This is Azo Yellow, Liquitex Azo Yellow with a little bit of orange mixed in. This is Amsterdam Azo Orange with a little bit of red mixed in. And this is Scarlet Red, Liquitex Scarlet Red. My consistency is about a 3 to 4 second trace. And this is my Burgundy mix. It's Artist Loft Burgundy and Quinacridone Violet by Liquitex. This is a new color I got. It is Master's Touch. I think I show it right here. Master's Touch Lake Blue. It's a really pretty color. So, and then this is my pearl mixture, Vallejo Pearl Medium with Deco Art Pearl. So I just drizzle a little bit of that on the bottom of the cup. I don't like a lot of it. This first pour that I do, so the cups get layered a certain way. I put blue on the bottom, then I do black, then I add the burgundy, red, orange, yellow, and pearl, and then repeat the colors. But I do end up pouring over this first pour because I kind of wrecked it a little bit and I didn't like the way it turned out. So I am going to speed up most of this first one just so that you guys can see the second pour, but the cup is layered exactly the same. I think I put a little less blue in the second pour and more of the red, orange, and yellow. So yeah, I'm just going to speed it up through this video so that you guys, it's not too long. And I'm pouring on a 14-inch round canvas, wood canvas. I get these on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. You get like a 5-pack of them. The only thing is you have to make sure that you either paint them beforehand or do make your paints really thin when you tilt it off. You don't want, if it's too thick, it can kind of warp the top board a little bit. But in this, just using this to pour into, this is drippings from previous pours that I just put in a bottle and use when I need some extra paint for flow extender or a puddle or, you know, base coat. But alright, I'm gonna let you put on some music and let you guys enjoy the video. I just wanted to let you know this first one I do end up pouring over. I liked the way it turned out. I just didn't like the lines that I put in. They just didn't look right. And there were also a few things, like I think it had a little too much blue and not enough of the other colors. Although I do find that the blue just kind of takes over. This blue is pretty pigmented, I guess. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and you would like to see more of my videos. Ring the bell so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Alright, have a great day, guys. Bye. So I also wanted to mention that when I do these pours, I slightly turn very, very slightly the canvas. It's on a spinner and I slightly turn it. Sometimes I'll move my hand a little bit just to kind of give it that little bit of a curve in the pour, but you kind of have to watch how the paint's coming out so that you can kind of keep the paint flowing together. You don't want to turn the canvas too fast and have it disconnect. Like, you want that solid color to kind of have a curve to it. I usually try to sit down when I do these so that I can like be at eye level with the canvas and see what I'm doing. But it takes a little bit of practice, and it took me a while to figure these out, to figure out how to get it to have that curve in it and look like that. But once you get it down, it's really fun to mess around with and do it in different ways. You just have to kind of watch how the paint's coming out when you're turning the canvas or your hand so that you can see how it's coming out. Alright, so enjoy the rest of the video. I'll talk to you guys later.